Hello guys, welcome to NareshIT Technologies. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the major and important section in Terraform certification, that is meta-arguments. So in the meta-arguments, the first concept I'm going to teach is parallelism. So as the name indicates, by default Terraform follow parallelism. That means, let's say, if I want to create 10 resources, Terraform can create them all at a time. But if I want to create 20, Terraform will create first 10 resources, then only next 10 is going to create. But if I want to change the behavior, let's say I want to create only one resource at a time or only two resources at a time. In that case, I can use the parallelism flag is equal to 1. But in the certification question, the question is going to frame like this. By default, how many number of resources you can create from Terraform and what is the parallelism rate? So the answer is going to be 10. And if you want to alter the parallelism, you can use the flag parallelism is equal to 1. Thank you.